In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up recurring payments on Melio. To begin, open your web browser and go to Melio. Sign in to your account using your usual login details. Once you are signed in, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct business profile if your account manages more than one. This helps ensure the recurring payment is created in the right place. Next, head to the Pay area. Look for the option related to payments, then choose the workflow that lets you create a new payment. In many accounts, this appears as Pay, then Payments, and then an option like Add Payment. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your view, but the goal is to start a new outgoing payment. Now you will enter the payment details. Add your vendor by typing the vendor name in the vendor field. Make sure it is the correct vendor, especially if there are similar names in your list. Then enter the amount you want to pay each time. Double-check the number before moving on, since this amount will repeat automatically on the schedule you choose. After that, set the recurring schedule. Find the frequency drop-down and select monthly. Choosing monthly tells Melio to create this payment again each month, which is useful for regular expenses like rent, subscriptions, or ongoing services. Take a moment to confirm that monthly is the correct cadence for this vendor and amount, because this is what controls the recurring timing. Finally, choose how you want to fund the payment. Select your payment method, either a bank account or a card. If you want to pay from a bank account, pick the correct connected account. If you prefer to use a card, choose the option to add a card and enter the card information as prompted. Always verify that the payment method you select matches your plan for cash flow and processing time. Once your vendor, amount, monthly frequency, and payment method are all set, review the details on the screen for accuracy, and then proceed to finalize the setup within Melio. And that is all there is to it.